Okay, well, first, let's understand what is given, what is the question, and then we can solve that question. First, we have a circle with a center C. The points are H and K, and there are points A, B, was on the circle, and we know the coordinate of A, and ACB is a right angle. What is the length of AB? First, let's see, we have 2 points, let's say A, C is the center, A and B, and we know that they are ready, and the angle between that ready is 90. It's a the measure of angle ACB is right angle, and we should find the length of AB. If this one is radius and this one also radius, do you remember that special triangles? 90, 45. Yes, exactly. 90 and 45 and 45. So that length AB should be r square root 2. We know that AB is radius times root 2, but we don't have radius. So can we find it? Yes. C is the center and A is a point on the circle. If actually we can say the distance between the 2 points is the radius, or we can use that equation of circle, which is h minus k squared plus y minus x minus h squared, y minus k squared equals radius squared, and hk is the center. And we have one more point, h plus 1 and k plus root 102. So we can plug it. That will be h plus 1 minus h squared plus, instead of y, it's k plus root 102 minus k squared. Yeah. And then it is obvious that h and h, we eliminate them, k and k, yes, they cancel. So we get 1 squared, and root 102 squared equals radius squared. So it's 1 and 102. So 103 is radius squared. So radius is root of 103, okay? And the length AB equals r root 2, which means root 103 by root 2, which is root 206. Answer A. I think it's clear. Yeah. See the second question. Oh, this one. It was on the hard boot camp thing also. The college book questions? In no, hard questions? In one of the tests we did something like this, like integer. No, that question is on city college board questions. That hard questions, I think. Anyway, we know that if we have two factors and if we multiply them, we will get that expression. So this expression, here can we say it's like h times x squared plus hjx kx plus kj, right? So the important part is for that question is k times j equals negative 45, okay? And we know that h, k, j, they are integer constants. And we should find the answer which must be an integer, okay? So h is 4. Yeah, h is 4. But for that question, For example, in A, it says B over H, B over 4. We don't have information about B. So there can be 1 or maybe 8. If it's 8, A can be answered. But if B is 1, A, it can be answered. That's why we eliminate A. We cancel out because we should find that value must be an integer. Or the second one, B over K. Again, we don't have information for B. We can eliminate it. So C and D, H and K, we know H is 4, so that one is not integer. So we have only one answer, D. Or we can say that if K times J is negative 45, J equals 45 over K, negative J. Or negative K equals 45 over J, right? So J and K, they are integers. So the ratios are integer again. That's why D must be an integer. And the other one,
this one, like, I know A because it's one like X is 1, right?
X is 1. Yeah, it's one of the method is finding one and then getting the other values. But here, we know that there are two x-intercepts, right? So it means the graph should be like this, or maybe like this. So two intersection points. And we know the vertex point is 9 and negative 14, which is here. And we can say the graph can be that form, maybe that form, yeah. It's always minimum of function, yes. So negative 14 is the minimum of function for that function, let's say f of x, have to be negative 14 or more than negative 14.
So, like, the only answer is over 12. Or
No, wait. And then, as you said, we should find that a plus b plus c, when we substitute x 1, that will be like f1 will be a times 1 squared, which is a, b times 1, which is b, plus c. So the sum of a plus b plus c is the value of f1. So we know that when x is 9, the minimum value will be negative 19. First, the values cannot be less than negative 14. So it cannot be negative 23 and negative 19. And then for C and D, we say negative 14 is the value of minimum value when x is 9, not for the other values. So F1, they have to be more than negative 14. That's why we say D is the answer. Maybe there are another ways, but I can say only this one now. And other question. So A is more than 29. Can we simplify that by x minus 29, both sides? I know that when x is 29, it is obvious. We get 0 on both sides. So 29, the one of the answer. So if you want, we can eliminate A. To find a solution, it's better to take all the expressions or factors to the one side and then factorize again. I mean, if we take all of them to one side, maybe this one to other side, maybe this one to other side, it's not important. So we will get that x minus 29 minus x minus a times x minus 29, okay, so equals 0. As you see, we have a common factor x minus 29, so that should be x minus 29. No, x minus 29 is a common factor. If we take it out of the parentheses, that will be 1 minus x minus a. But x minus a in the parentheses, it's a value. That minus will change it. That will be x minus x, 1 minus x plus a. Okay, so the first factor, x minus 29, and the other one, 1 minus x plus a, equals 0. So x minus 29 can be 0. X is 29, third one, or 1 minus x plus a equals 0. So x is 1 minus a, or a1, a plus 1. So second one is correct. So second and third one, okay? And AD is given, and AB 11 root under 30 over 3. How we get 11? Maybe we can make two.
Is it wrong?
Maybe I don't know answer.
I did 121 over 3 squared plus x squared equals that squared.
Think. Maybe we can solve that question by using similarities. Like if it's alpha, that should be beta. So alpha 90, again beta, beta 90 alpha. Okay. So for that smaller triangle, opposite side to the beta is 121 over 3. But the greater triangle, it's 11 root 130 over 3. Okay. And opposite side to the 90 here is 11 root 130 over 3 over opposite side to the 90 for the greater triangle, it's 111 over 3 plus, let's say DC x plus x. That's it. So as you see, we have, we have an equality. So by using cross multiplication, we'll get 121 over 3 times 121 over 3 plus x equals 100 root 130 over 3 times 100. Here it's better to eliminate. By the way, we can use decimals.
Yeah, that's what I did. Now, x is 3.
X is 3. Okay, that's it. Or you can eliminate them. That's 3 also. That will be 121 over 3 plus x equals 130 over 3. So that should be 3 to the 9, which means 3 is the answer.
Okay. So we didn't use like, we just ratios. Here, like I keep getting, you know what I did? I did proportions.
Okay, that time let me use decimals. It says 6,424 people vote in the election. So by how many votes?
By how many? Like how many
Uh-huh.
more?
That candidate be expected to win. So we should find, if you want, you can find the number of votes, okay, and then you can compare, which is, we know 3,424 total. So for first candidate, that should be 483 over 483 plus 320 votes, okay, which is 3,064. And then for the other candidate, that should be 320. So the question is expected to. So
480 minus 320, 163. Like divided by 803 equals x over 6,424. Like we can do that.
Can you repeat it again?
Okay, so you get the difference 483 minus.
Yeah. Yes.
Then divide by 803 equals x over 6,424.
What is the difference? 163. So more out of 803. So x over, yeah, again, that will be 1,304. And last question. I'm not going to use Desmos again. We said that if the value of function same for the two different x values, for example, for -9 and 3, value of function is same. So we can find the vertex x-coordinated vertex point by getting the average. Yeah. So it's -9 plus 3 over 2, which is -3, okay? Or if we have the y-intercept form, so we can say the formula -b over 2a, which is -3 equals, no, it's x-coordinate of vertex. So -3 equals -b over 2a. b is 4. So that will be 2/3. So as you see, a is 2/3, not more than 1. So second one is wrong. So let's check the second one. The first one, C. It says C is negative. I know that x-coordinate is -3, and it's given that y-intercept is negative and the parabola opens upward. So that shows this one. And if k is negative, that should be here, approximately. So that is the vertex point. And the graph can be like maybe this form or maybe that one, okay? Or maybe this one. As you see, we can figure out that which value is the value of C. Is that positive? Maybe it's 0. Yeah. So it is possible, but we should find the answer which must be true. So it's not. So neither 1 or 2. Is that clear? Any question? That's it.